guys, so in today's video I filmed another what I eat in a day. I know I film these a lot, however, I eat different things every day. I love showing you guys what I like to make, easy recipes, healthy recipes. So yeah, that is today's video. I also included a little Trader Joe's haul, a little bit of my workout routine, just kind of some fun stuff in there. So I hope you guys enjoy. Also, I want to precursor this video by saying I don't follow a specific diet really. However, I do try to eat mostly vegan. Usually I'm vegan, but I'm not super strict about it. Sometimes I don't. I eat seafood, so not vegan. I don't eat dairy and I don't really eat meat, but you know, every once in a while I do. So mostly I just try to eat like healthy food that makes me feel good, and that's kind of what I do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. So I start off my day with some coffee. Usually I prefer hot coffee in the morning, however our milk frother is broken. So iced coffee it is. We have these huge mason jars that I like to fill up with some ice, and then I do 2 large shots of espresso, and then I put in a little bit of the Khalifa vanilla almond milk creamer, and then a little bit of unsweetened almond milk on top, and that's my coffee. Now, one of my go-to breakfasts lately has been half a everything bagel with some mashed avocado on top. Then I just put on some salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, and of course everything but the bagel seasoning. And I'll usually have a little bit of fruit with that, and that's my breakfast. This is probably one of my most eaten breakfasts. Our landlord gives us bagels just like for free, or not really for free, but we pay for it in our rent. But we get like these big boxes of bagels like every other week. So I've been making a lot of avocado toast bagels. Sometimes I'll do the whole bagel. Usually I'll just do like this half because it's pretty filling with the avocado. And then I try to get some type of fruit into every single meal. So raspberries, strawberries, sometimes blueberries. Those are like my breakfast fruits. I have a banana every once in a while, but I feel like that's a different category. But yeah, anyway, this is the breakfast for today. I also like to take some fish oil vitamins in the morning. I'm doing that lately just because like my hair, I feel like it could be good for that. So this is one of my favorite meals of the day. Usually I'll do this or a yogurt bowl or oatmeal. Those are like the ones I alternate between, and every single day it's fire. Like I literally go to bed looking forward to breakfast. It's the best meal of the day. So for the lunch, I'm kind of feeling a salad, so I think I'm gonna make one of those, see what vegetables I have and what I can whip up. So for my salad base, I just used one of these pre-made salad bags, which comes with like the mix of lettuce. It also came with this bag of nuts and wontons I also added on top. I then added some frozen edamame that I thawed, cucumbers, mushrooms, and some red onion, and then I put on a little bit of the dressing that the salad bag came with, and that's it for my salad. It was super easy. Okay, and this is my salad. I've been trying to eat more salads lately. I used to eat one every single day, kind of slacked because it does take some time to make, but I discovered these little salad kits. They have them at most grocery stores actually. Like it comes with like a mix of lettuce and like shaved vegetable, which is good because honestly that's the worst part of a salad is like if you want like radishes in your salad, like I don't want to buy a whole radish or like a whole cabbage, but I like having that in my lettuce mix. But they also come with like little condiments. Like this one was like an Asian one. It came with like wontons and some kind of nuts and then the dressing. And then all I have to do is cut up a couple other vegetables and like that was it. It's so easy. Okay, and for a snack, I'm having this so delicious strawberry coconut milk yogurt. These are so good. The strawberry one is really good, and the key lime one is also amazing. I don't eat dairy, so these are like my favorite non-dairy yogurts. Okay, now I'm gonna get a little workout in because I've literally been sitting down all day doing homework. So, let me put this down. Okay, so I used to work out like 6-7 days a week. Now I do like 5 days a week, and usually it's like 45 minutes to an hour. Lately I've been running a lot more, but my shin splints are really bad. I just have like, my feet are flat, my hips are weird. I'm not set up to be a runner. So although I do enjoy it, I can't run today. So I'm just gonna do some floor stuff. Probably just a couple YouTube videos, my own thing. I'll like put up on the screen like what I end up doing, but honestly like I don't really have much of a routine when it comes to like working out inside. I just kind of like have some videos I do, some small routines that I like rotate around, not like a schedule or anything, just kind of like whatever I'm feeling. So yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, so I just got back from Trader Joe's and I want to show you all some things I got. I got some new stuff. Brussels sprout, cauliflower. I feel like I get like a head of cauliflower a week. It just really goes out. Some raspberries, a singular sweet potato, some grapefruit cups. These are just like easy snack.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Love that.
Some mushrooms. Trader Joe's also has this like pre-pressed and drained sriracha tofu that I get sometimes. It's not as good as like making it myself, but I feel like it's just really easy. Like literally I just cut it up, put it in the air fryer. Super good. I got some frozen green beans. And then I haven't had this before, but this is the spicy Mexican style riced cauliflower. I heard it was good. I also got this herbed tahini sauce. And I already opened these up in the car, but these are rolled corn tortilla chips and chili lime flavor. Really good, guys. So for dinner, I just cut up some broccoli, red onions, sweet potatoes, and Brussels sprouts and put that on a sheet pan. I then sprayed it with some olive oil and put on some garlic powder, a bunch of onion powder, also put on some salt and some pepper, and then I put that in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. While that was cooking, I drained a can of chickpeas and put that in a bowl. I then added garlic powder, cumin, chili powder, and some salt, and then just tossed that around to coat them all evenly. And I just put those in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Now my plan was to make a bowl, so I just microwaved some brown rice from Trader Joe's, put that as my base. Then I added my veggies, chickpeas, and then a little bit of that tahini sauce I got from Trader Joe's as well. And that was it. This was actually so freaking good, like one of the best dinners I've made, and it was pretty easy to make too. Like I think it took me like 30 minutes. Okay, for dessert, I'm kind of feeling like ice cream kind of thing. I can't remember if I've talked about these in a vlog before, but they're the Sambazon acai bites. Basically, they're just like chocolate covered acai sorbet kind of thing. They're like really tiny, they're like this big, but they're so good. I'll have like one or two of these normally. So I'm eating two because they're pretty tiny, but literally it's just like, it's like the size of like a mini Snickers bar. There's like acai in the middle, so kind of good. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for my what I eat in a day video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I guess I do eat differently every day, but this is a pretty typical day for me. Like fruits, vegetables, some things aren't that healthy. Just kind of, you know, what I eat. So yeah, let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Also, if you want more recipe ideas, I actually do have a ton of recipe videos up on my channel, so I'll have those links down below and up here. And if you are not already subscribed, be sure to go ahead and do that. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram and a TikTok, both at Ella_Elbells, so be sure to follow me both of those, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!